Hey everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to meal planning. For the month of June, I'm going to be taking part in the Frugal Family Food Low Spend June Challenge. That's a mouthful. Amanda from Fundamental Home and Tangi from Freedom Homestead are the co-founders of frugalfamilyfood.com, and they are sponsoring this challenge. I know there's a lot of people here on YouTube doing this challenge. I know Shakema from One Mom, Two Girls, Two Boys, 8 and All is doing it, and she's the queen of couponing. So if you want to learn how to coupon, or you want to if you have a Harris Teeter, I know she does a lot of Harris Teeter double couponing things, she's your girl. I'll put her link and Amanda's link and Tangi's link in the description box to their YouTube channels. I'll put the Frugal Family Food webpage link. You can go there and download these freezer inventory sheets. They have the pantry inventory sheets. Let's see, what else did they have? They have like a weekly meal plan that has breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a grocery list if that's something you're looking for. I kind of like my Carrie L one, so I'm going to stick with that, but just printed it so you guys could see. And then they have low spend month, little mini challenges, suggestions through the month. The first thing they want you to do is take inventory of your pantry, freezer, so you know what you have and you can use it in meal planning this month. For me, the purpose of me doing this is I want to spend as least amount that I can this month so that I can start stocking up my freezer and start getting more things in my freezer. I have a lot of stuff in the freezer that I need to use up, and but I want to get new stuff in there for the summer. So it'll be a good summer with Ken grilling most nights. Anyway, I just wanted to put that plug in there before I get going on this menu plan here. And if you guys want, join us. Join us. I hit a sale for boneless, skinless chicken breasts for $1.69 a pound, and if I bought 20 pounds or more, I had $2 off coupon. So I bought almost 22 pounds worth. I got 2 watermelons, some corn, cilantro. I had a coupon for a free paper towel, so I'm gonna put that in our RV. And I picked up the kids some Klondikes. They were 99 cents with the coupon I had. So the total I spent today was $44.71, and I have 22 pounds of chicken to go in the freezer. So that'll help me out later in the month with this challenge. In my freezer, I have some marinades. The last time I did a big chicken breast haul, I made extra shawarma, Thai coconut, teriyaki, and a couple of tequila lime marinades. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these tequila lime marinades and get that chicken marinated and in the freezer. These are large breasts, so I'm gonna try to cut them into 3 cutlets, each piece. That way the marinade will take hold a lot better and they'll cook quicker on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and get these 5 packages in the freezer, and this will really help later in the month. Okay, let's go over the menu. Some of you have asked if I would share smart points when I know them, and I'll be glad to do that for you guys. Monday, we're going to grill some pork loins. I have them in the freezer. I want to use those. I have leftover mangoes. I'm going to make a mango salsa. I have some Uncle Ben wild rice in the pantry. I want to use that up. And I have some canned mushrooms, so I'm going to make a wild rice and mushroom kind of stuffing, and then serve it with a tossed green salad and buttermilk dressing. So basically the pork loin is 1 ounce is 1 smart point, a half a cup of the Uncle Ben's rice is 3 smart points, and the ranch dressing, like I showed you guys how to make it, is 1 tablespoon is 1 smart point. And basically what I do on that is I use a cup of real mayonnaise, a half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of buttermilk, and the ranch dressing packet, and mix it all up, and a tablespoon is a smart point. For dinner, we're having the pork loin roast with the mango salsa, the tossed salad, and the Uncle Ben's wild rice with mushrooms. Looks pretty good. Tuesday, we're grilling chicken breasts, having corn on the cob and watermelon, and that is a 0 point smart point dinner. We're having some grilled chicken. I had marinated it with some of the Speedy marinade and had it in the freezer. You know, I make those freezer packs, so I just pull one out, let it thaw, and then throw it on the grill. And we're serving it with some fresh corn and watermelon. I am so happy summer is almost here. The corn has been so good, and I can't wait to dig in tonight. And by the way, this is 0 smart points. The chicken, the corn, the watermelon are 0 smart points. Wednesday, we're going to be grilling some teriyaki marinated pork chops. And basically the pork loin chops, if you trim away the fat, 1 ounce of the pork chop is a smart point. Steamed rice, half a cup is 3 smart points. Veggies, 0. Pot stickers, the Trader Joe's brand, 7 or 6 smart points. For dinner tonight, we're having some teriyaki pork chops that Ken grilled. We're having some steamed rice, stir-fried veggies, some pot stickers, and some Goya dipping sauce. On Thursday, I'm making a Mississippi pot roast. I like using the eye of the round, and basically 1 ounce is 1 smart point. We're serving it with veggies, a tossed salad, and the ranch dressing. For dinner tonight, we are having a tossed salad. It has cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, artichoke hearts, and ranch dressing. I made one of those Mississippi roasts, and we're having zucchini, squash, onion, garlic, and a little bit of cherry tomatoes sauteed in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Friday, I'm making clam chowder and serving it with a tossed salad. I had bought one of those big cans of clams, and I want to use that up. We're having homemade clam chowder, and it looks delicious, and we're serving it with the tossed salad. Our salad tonight is just a bed of lettuce, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of red onion slices, and marinated artichoke hearts. We're going to serve it with an Italian dressing. When I was doing my pantry inventory to see what I had on hand, I discovered I had some ciabatta rolls in there. So I'm going to make a club sandwich. I'm going to use the ciabatta rolls and some chicken cutlets, grill them on the grill, bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, and serve it with some fruit. For dinner tonight, we're having a club sandwich on ciabatta bread. Ken grilled some chicken breasts. We have bacon, lettuce, tomato, and avocado, and serving it with some fresh fruit. And then for Sunday dinner, I have a prime rib that I desperately need to use. Basically 3 ounces, if you cut away the fat, is 4 smart points. The horseradish cream that I'll show you how to make, 1 tablespoon is a smart point. Baked potato and asparagus. And this is kind of a high point dinner. So I think what I'm going to do for myself is have an omelet and have asparagus. The boys and the kids will enjoy that. For dinner tonight, we're having prime rib with a horseradish cream sauce, asparagus, and Ken is loading up that potato with chive butter and sour cream. Good Lord, man. I have a recipe for perfect prime rib every time. That's the name of it. It comes out perfect every time. To make a horseradish cream sauce, I have a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to whip it until it forms stiff peaks. I added in about, I don't know, about a fourth of a cup of prepared horseradish. And I'm just going to get this folded in. That's what the horseradish cream will look like, and you just serve it alongside of the prime rib. Well, I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you consider maybe doing a low spend June so you too can take advantage of the big sales on July 4th weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Happy meal planning.